Our next recipe will feature our very own Ratatouille pasta. So we took this very traditional vegetable recipe and transformed it into a unique, delicious, and nutritious pasta dish. So, let's get started. I have with me here my pan over medium heat. I'm now going to be pouring my extra virgin olive oil into the pan, followed by my minced white onions. Okay, so after 2 minutes, I'm going to lower the heat. There you go. Keep it at a low temp. Again, gradual caramelization. I'm going to give it a stir maybe once every 3-4 minutes, 5 minutes or so. Just keep an eye on it. You don't want to burn the onions, okay? So we'll be back. Again, as you can see, our onions are nicely medium golden. So I'm now going to be adding my garlic paste. So after I add my garlic paste, I'm going to give it another. So I turn my heat on high again. I return my heat to high. Add the garlic paste and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. I'm now going to be adding my water. Okay, so you can also use stock if you want to. Chicken or beef stock. Crushed tomatoes. And my tomato sauce. Mix a nice stir. Okay, I'm going to bring this to a boil. Then when it reaches that boiling point, I'm going to lower the heat down to a simmer. So here we can see the sauce nearing its boiling point. Lower the heat. There you go. And I'm going to simmer this for 15 to 20 minutes. So it's been 16 minutes. You can see that the sauce has moderately reduced already in quantity. At this point, I'm now going to be adding a pinch of thyme. I'm going to be adding my diced eggplants, my diced zucchinis, fresh tomatoes, and bell peppers, green bell peppers. Okay, so I'm gonna increase my heat to high. Okay, I'm gonna give this a nice mix. Exactly 10 minutes after, the vegetables are just perfectly cooked. I am now gonna be adding my pre-cooked whole wheat spaghetti pasta. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a nice stir. Be sure you mix it all with the sauce. Okay, there you go. So again, take note, the pasta has been pre-cooked, okay, based on package directions. Usually, pasta spaghetti takes anywhere from 8 to about 11, 12 minutes boiling. Okay, so now you see how simple this dish is. So at this point, I'm now going to be transferring to a serving plate. There you go. Then I'm going to be sprinkling fresh basil, chiffonade of fresh basil, parsley, freshly chopped parsley, a drizzle, okay, of extra virgin olive oil, just a drizzle, okay, and freshly grated Parmesan cheese. There you go. There you have it. Your Ratatouille pasta dish.